In this video, I'm going to show you how you can promote affiliate links on Facebook groups. I'm going to show you two different methods which both work, which are both free and you can get started with today. So first, what you need to do is obviously find an affiliate product. Now, I would find the affiliate product before you find the Facebook group. So go to an affiliate marketing platform like clickbank.com. So here on ClickBank, you can find digital products to promote. So go ahead and click on start here and sign up for a free account. I'm not going to run you through that. I'm just going to log into my account and show you how to find products. So once you've logged into ClickBank, you'll then be able to promote any of these offers here. Now, if you go to all, you can see there are offers in different categories, and these are all going to be digital products, so they're not going to need to be shipped out or anything like that. The offers that I will promote would be in these kind of three main categories. So the first one's going to be business and investing and e-business and marketing, and that's kind of like one category, which falls under the make money online category. I would also promote in health and fitness, and you might find some in education as well. So I'm going to go ahead and go to health and fitness, and I'm going to then go to diets and weight loss. Alternatively, you can just click on one main niche and then go through all of the sub niches yourself. So you can promote different products here, and each one of these, this is a different product to this. These are all individual products, and you can see the conversion rate is going to be different depending on what product you promote. So I'm going to promote this one here, which is the smoothie diet, a 21-day rapid weight loss program. So if we open this in a new tab, we should be able to check out the landing page. So here is this landing page: delicious, easy to make smoothies for weight loss and increased energy and incredible health. You can see this is a $37 product, and if someone buys, on average, we're going to earn $29. Now, the reason for this is because it also has upsells, which means on average, people are going to spend more than $37. It's just the initial buy is $37. And this will be my first tip when promoting on Facebook. Don't go ahead and promote offers which are going to give you hundreds of dollars of conversions, because on Facebook, people are either going to buy your product or they're not. And the deciding factor on that is most likely going to be the price. So go ahead and promote a product which is relatively cheap and people can impulse buy. So once you've decided on your product, then go to promote, enter in your account nickname, which you will have generated when you sign up. Then click here where it says create hop link, and now you've got your affiliate link to ClickBank. Now, one thing that you could do from here, you could go ahead and shorten this link. Now, there are many different websites where you can shorten links, but I use tinyurl. So if you go to tinyurl.com and paste in your long ClickBank link, you can then customize this and click shorten URL. So now we've got a short and tiny link, which you can see isn't super long. And this is then going to redirect to the product landing page, and ClickBank are going to know they're coming from your link and credit you in the commission if they buy. So now you need to go to Facebook and find some relevant Facebook groups in the weight loss and smoothie diet niche. So if we go ahead and just do a search for weight loss, we can click enter and we can filter in through all of these groups. So now we go to groups, and here we'll just see groups. Now there are going to be so many different groups depending on what you type in here. You could type in smoothie diet, weight loss, how to lose weight, health and fitness, and so on. Now what you want to do is you want to go and open some of these groups in a new tab, and these groups have 73,000, 213,000, 101,000 members. So they have loads of different members. Now each group is going to be a little bit different. You can scroll down here and you can see it looks like in this group the only person that is allowed to post is going to be the group admin. But this is fine, because what we can do, we can promote in a non-spammy way by going to people. We can then scroll down and we can see all of the people who are new to this group and who have just joined. Now these have joined 1 minute ago, and what we can do, we can go ahead and open their profiles. We can go to message, and we can then write these a message. So because they've already joined a weight loss group, they're looking to lose weight and they're looking to lose weight fast, you can then pitch them your product, which is going to be the smoothie diet, and they might buy it because they're losing weight is on their mind right now. So you could say something like this. Hi there, I've seen you join the weight loss group. Like me, I've been using a smoothie diet and lost 10 pounds already. Let me know if you want the link to check it out. And then when they reply, you can just go ahead and send them your affiliate link, which will go to this landing page. Now you can do this for all of these different groups and send out this same message to all of these different people, and you're going to have like 50 chats on the go, and it's then going to be your job to convince these people to buy. All you need to do is convince 2 people a day to buy, and you're going to have made $60 in that day. Now the other method involves you writing something in a group. So this group allows anyone to post. So you can go ahead and write something and just say, hey, I have a weight loss program based around a smoothie diet. If you want to check it out, then message me and I'll give you the link. Don't ever link the actual link in these posts because you'll get them removed. Or if you get people to actually DM you, you can just send them the link over inbox. So those have been 2 ways that you can promote affiliate links on Facebook groups. Try them out, let me know how they go, and I'll see you in the next video.